No! Hey, what's up? It's King Beef and Pac-Man, and we're here at the court. Oh, and I'm here to say Merry Christmas to you. This is going to be a Merry Christmas elevator ride. And this is an Otis elevator. I will put that in the description. I'm going to go 3. What floor, sir?
2.
Door close when it works. I like that.
I hope so. I hope it makes me some money.
As long as she doesn't get divorced, she can keep it, right?
Here are 3. This classic leveling. No, it doesn't. Let's go back to 1. These are the fixtures. ADA compliant phone. It's a nice elevator. Nice hardwood walls anyways.
Yeah, shaky.
Here, 1. Go ahead. Hang on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.